Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about, Mogo loans. Mogo is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial products, including personal loans, credit cards, and cashback rewards. Their personal loans are a popular choice for people who need quick access to cash. But how long is the repayment term for Mogo loans? In this video, I'm going to answer that question, as well as provide you with some other important information about Mogo loans. So, if you're considering getting a Mogo loan, or if you're just curious about them, be sure to watch this video all the way through. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed money quickly? Maybe you had an unexpected expense, or maybe you just wanted to consolidate some debt. If so, you may have considered getting the personal loan. Personal loans can be a great way to get the money you need quickly and easily. However, it's important to understand the terms of the loan before you apply. One of the most important things to consider is the repayment term. The repayment term for a Mogo loan is between 3 and 60 months. The exact term will depend on your individual circumstances, such as your credit score and income. Mogo loans have a fixed interest rate, so you'll know exactly how much you'll need to pay back each month. This can make it easier to budget your money. Mogo loans are unsecured, which means that you don't need to provide any collateral to secure the loan. This can make it easier to qualify for a loan, even if you have a less than perfect credit score. Mogo offers a variety of loan amounts, from $500 to $25,000. This gives you the flexibility to borrow the amount of money you need. Mogo loans are available to Canadian residents who are 18 years or older. You must also have a valid bank account and a steady source of income. Here are some of the pros and cons of Mogo loans. Pros: quick and easy application process. No collateral required. Flexible repayment terms. Fixed interest rate. Available to a wide range of borrowers. Cons: higher interest rates than some other lenders. Origination fees. Not available to all Canadians. Mogo loans can be a good option for people who need quick access to cash. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before you apply. If you're considering getting a Mogo loan, I recommend that you shop around and compare rates from other lenders. You may be able to find a better deal elsewhere. If you're interested in learning more about Mogo loans, you can visit their website or give them a call. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.